question 4, I'm just going to do A, B, and C here in this video. So here we're trying to solve, we're trying to get the x alone, so we have to create zeros and ones. We're going to add the 5 to both sides. This does cancel, leaving you with a 2x on the left hand side equaling a 16 on the right hand side. Now we're trying to get the x alone, so we're going to divide by 2. The left hand side 2 over 2 does cancel, leaving you with a 1. So we just write x is equal to 16 divided by 2, which is an 8. Next for b, we have x plus 3 plus 5 equals to negative 7. If we multiply by 3, we would make the problem worse for right now. So let's try to get rid of that 5 first by creating a 0. We're going to subtract 5 to both sides. The left 5's cancel, leaving you with an x divided by 3 on the left. On the right hand side, we have negative 7 and negative 5. That becomes a negative 12. To get rid of this divide by 3, we multiply by 3 to both sides. 3 on top, 3 on bottom does cancel, leaving you with a 1. So it's x on the left hand side. On the right hand side, negative 12 times 3 is negative 36. C, we have a minus 5 inside the fraction. So let's get rid of the fraction first by making a number 1. So we're going to multiply 3 to both sides. 3 on top divided by 3 on bottom. This cancels, making a 1, leaving us with an x minus 5 is equal to 60. Then we add 5 to both sides. We're trying to get x alone. The opposite of subtraction is adding. We make the number 0, leaving us with an x is equal to 60 plus 5 becomes 65. This is A, B, and C for question 4.